Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to find viral YouTube shorts in 2025 so that you can spot the trends early and use them for your own content. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on youtube.com in your web browser. You can also follow the same steps in your YouTube mobile application. Over here, you will see this Shorts tab here in the left hand section. So you need to click on the Shorts tab. Over here, you need to simply just scroll and you need to simply just try to find the trending shorts here that is relating to your niche. You need to look for the videos with the high views uploaded in the last 24 to 72 hours, and that's a sign of something going viral right now. You can also use YouTube's search bar here in the top and type your keyword or the niche that you are in. For example, let's say you are in the fitness industry and you want to create a short video on the fitness tips. So you can use the search bar here in the top in order to search for the fitness tips. Over here you will see the section of shorts, so you can click on any one of these and again you can start scrolling and see how is it actually going. You can also use this filter here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you can select either this week or today for the fresh viral content. So let's say I wanted to select today, so these are the videos or the shorts that you see over here. You can select any one of these which you think is viral. You can go to the successful channels in order to find their videos and sort them by most popular. For example, let's say you are interested in this particular channel, so you can go to their channel and you can sort the videos by most popular and you can try to find which shorts video is going viral on their channel. So you can also repeat the same format for yourself. You can also search for the niche topic on the Google Trends. So I will create a separate video on this topic. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.